Cooking up this shrimp and rice, gonna make it taste so nice.
You don't need a face, a camera, or a kitchen to start a cooking channel. Yes, you heard me right. I will show you how to start a cooking channel from scratch, step by step, with AI, without bugging your head. Look at this. Step 1. Use ChatGPT to generate your cooking idea and your script step by step. So ChatGPT can actually give you the cooking idea and the script step by step, like the one you just watched. Second thing you do is to create a simple food logo and animate it for your intro. Then the next thing you will do is you will move to Google image effects. That is the picture as you can see it here, to be able to generate your scene by scene images. When you create the script with ChatGPT, ask it to give you a scene by scene presentation alongside with their image prompt. Whatever thing you want to cook, then get the images into Google image effects as you can see above and generate your images step by step. After your animation, you will move to DreamFace. With the scene by scene presentation, you will paste your animation narration with your natural voice. Read it out and upload it with your natural voice, or you create your voice in DreamFace and add it on each scene. It is very simple. The next thing you do is you move into CapCut. Put together all the scenes, and then you go ahead edit your scene with small caption and whatever editing tool that you want to edit, and that is it. You have your channel ready. Post consistently. You can create faster and easier with AI. AI will cook you any soup that you want to cook. Try it out and give me a feedback in the comment section. Upload consistently. One niche, one style. Don't forget to repost this video, share, leave a meaningful comment, and follow for more useful tips like this. See you in our next hack.